How to become rich from nothing. Do you want to know how to get wealthy from nothing? It may appear that being wealthy is an unachievable goal, but it is achievable if the necessary actions and guidelines are followed. There are secrets to getting rich, and if you take the time to understand them, you too may be on the correct track to gaining riches. There is no one-size-fits-all solution, but there are certain fundamental rules you may follow to improve your chances of getting wealthy. This video provides advice on how to become wealthy from nothing and, perhaps, motivation to make positive changes in your life. Don't be discouraged by your present status. By following certain methods, you may begin working toward being wealthy from nothing. Let's get started. 1. Get your mindset right. Your mind is a powerful tool, especially when it comes to money. If you have a negative mentality, you will continue to make poor financial decisions that will keep you poor and living paycheck to paycheck. Nobody gains from a negative mindset. However, by cultivating the correct habits, you may go from a poor attitude to a wealthy mindset. Because wealthy people think differently, you must refrain your tale to appeal to their perspective. How to get rich cannot be a fleeting phase in your life. It needs hard effort and dedication. Carol Dweck, an American psychologist, studied how mentality influences success. She discovered that people with a growth mindset, or the belief that they can enhance their skills and abilities through hard effort and practice, outperform those with a fixed mentality, or the belief that their talents and skills are fixed. The answer to the issue of how to get rich without money is dependent on your thinking. To be successful, you must think that you can succeed. If you need help in this area and want to program your mind to become a billionaire, check the first link in the video description. 2. Make a financial plan. It's time to set financial objectives when you've created a rich mindset. Many wealthy and successful individuals have solid habits of writing down what they want to achieve on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, as well as several years in advance. Writing out your goals also increases your chances of success. Setting financial objectives makes it easier to find out how to get rich. 3. Budgeting. It's difficult to believe, but it's true. Even the wealthy stick to a budget. The most important strategy to becoming and remaining wealthy is to spend less than you earn. Even for billionaires, there will always be needs that exceed budget limits because money is not infinite. 4. Create multiple income sources. Creating many streams of income is another way to get wealthy from a poor background. An average billionaire has up to 7 sources of income. You may also generate numerous sources of income by becoming an entrepreneur and starting your own company, working a second job, or investing in low-cost stocks. Diversifying your income allows you to accumulate wealth faster, making it simpler to reach financial stability and independence. We have a video on 5 million-dollar business ideas. You can watch that to get an idea. We will put it on the end screen. 5. Pay off your debts. Debt is costly. Interest payments on personal loans, credit card debt, and student loans can total thousands of dollars. The first step in learning how to make money from nothing is to become debt-free. You may swiftly pay off your high-interest debt and begin moving toward financial independence by executing a debt payoff strategy. You might use the debt snowball approach to pay off lower bills first, or you could use the debt avalanche method to pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Whatever you decide, be sure it is something you can stick to. 6. Begin saving money. If you ask a wealthy person how to become wealthy, they would almost certainly tell you to save your money. Saving money is a critical step in learning how to become wealthy from nothing. You don't have to be a millionaire to save money. Even on a low budget, you can save money. You may start increasing your bank account faster than you think if you get into the habit of saving. 7. Invest your money for future prosperity. Investing in assets that will appreciate over time and generate a return on investment, such as dividends or interest payments, is wise. The idea is to increase your asset portfolio to the point where you can live off passive income in retirement. While making money from nothing is difficult, it is possible. You may reach your desired financial independence and stability by following some of our helpful strategies to get rich with no money, having the correct mentality, defining financial objectives, and creating an action plan. Follow these steps to get started on the road to riches. That's all we got for today. Do you like to become a billionaire? Let us know in the comments, and also we recommend you to watch our other videos and gain much knowledge. Links are on the screen now. Thanks for watching.